Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. This new video about news, how to get the Tinytan Instagram theme. Does it work in Europe? After Instagram previously announced its new features involving a Tinytan theme, users are wondering how to access it and why it won't work on many devices. Keep reading to find out all you need to know about the Tinytan BTS range and its Instagram features. What is Tinytan on Instagram? Tinytan or the chibi version of BTS. Chibi is a style of art that frames cute childlike characters with large heads and eyes with small bodies. The BTS range presents the body band members as adorable characters. Animation of the BTS Tinytan range also accommodates the group's music and can be found on the Big Tiny TV YouTube channel. In November 2020, new messaging features now available on Instagram and Messenger are announced. One feature in particular involved that chat theme in order to personalize user conversation. This introduced a special chat experience on Messenger and Instagram with Tinytan, a group of lovable characters created from the seven members of BTS. I see you have some tweets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this channel and video. Thank you.